Hi, welcome to the quick tip of Onshape. Today I will illustrate how to use Conic in Onshape. Let's create a sketch on front plane and, and to the curves select Conic. Just select 2 points like that. Use 0.5 as the raw value. Connect these 2 points using a line, then another line from this center to this point. You can use for construction, then this point and this point be vertical. Let's dimension this point, this height of my conic to 50 and see what happens when dimension this to 100. As you can see, rho is the ratio of this height, that is 50 to 100. Therefore, 50 divided by 100, you get 0.5. Therefore, the higher the rho, the higher this value. If you change this to 0.75, this becomes smaller, okay? Because this one is the driven value, because it is gray. Therefore, I want to put this back to 0.5. I want to delete this value. Then let me dimension this to be my driving value, like that, and see this value. What happens? Becomes driven. Therefore, change this to 0.75. Therefore, you can see 75 divided by 100, you get this. Let's see what happens when you use 1. You can't use 1 because the 1 means this point coincides with this point. 0.9, you get 90. That's how you use a row in Onshape. Thank you.